Hey, this is Sandy, and I have another DIY box from Simply Earth. This one is really exciting for me because I have two people that I'm really looking forward to gifting these candles to. It is called the DIY candle. It is the Blessings candle. You get these beautiful ceramic, excuse me, ceramic candle holders. On the wooden wicks, you write a message. So each of my recipients have messages on here I don't want you to see because I suspect one of you is at least watching this video. So I don't want you to see the message I wrote for you. I am going to prepare the wax and the oils, and then I will get back to you. Okay, I'm back after about 5 minutes in the microwave. You can also do this as a double boiler method for melting. But after 5 minutes, this clean burn soy wax is totally melted. I am going to take my Palo Santo, which is a clean fragrance oil. This is actually not an essential oil. This is a fragrance oil that is still clean, but it's not meant to be used topically. It's meant to be used in products that you're going to use in your home, like candle making. So I'm pouring in a whole bottle. This actually comes with the kit. Now I'm going to tell you that bergamot came in this kit as well. I'm actually going to use grapefruit to give it a kind of a different scent. The grapefruit cuts a little bit of the woody. Palo Santo has a very interesting smell. I don't even know if it says on the bottle. It does not, but it's woody. There's kind of like this sweet smell to it, little different. And I thought, I like this. I thought I would cut some of that smell with the grapefruit instead. So after I have thoroughly melted everything, I am going to then pour them in my candles. So, like I said, it actually takes two full bottles of the essential, or the oils, both bottles that come with it. And then it has wooden wicks, which I think are so cool. And there we go. It's completely in here, and I'm super excited. Unfortunately, I have to let these set up now for 24 hours. I'll trim the top of the wicks so that the lids will fit on them. But also with this comes with 2 gift cards. And it says a candle made just for you. And then you can write a message on the back to that special someone. So I'm very excited about this. This is the DIY Blessings Candle Kit from Simply Earth. I will leave you a link to it below. I will leave you a 10% coupon code below. If you have any questions, as always, please leave them below. I'll be happy to get back to you. You can use any essential oils you want to with this, but it comes with Palo Santo fragrance oil and bergamot essential oil. These are great. These are lovely, lovely personalized gifts. Again, I'm super excited to be able to gift these. I'll be able to gift one this week, and I'll be able to gift another one when I see that person. And you know who you are. So anyway, have a wonderful day. The DIY candle kit, the Blessings candle, 2 candles, super easy. Guys, have a great day. Bye.